Dear community, we're reaching out today with a heartfelt request to come together and help our neighbors on the East Coast. Recent events have left many families without a place to call home, and we want to provide them with a solution that not only offers shelter, but also brings comfort and hope. Our plan is to send domes, sturdy, sustainable, and secure structures that can be a warm, temporary home this winter. These domes can serve as homes, community spaces, or even safe havens for those most in need. To make this happen, we will contribute as much as possible, but can do more with your support. You can help by donating, spreading the word, or connecting us with anyone who may be able to help. We have domes ready to ship that can be put up in one day. We have small housing domes and a big community dome that is perfect to set up for relief. Our larger domes can be used for warehouse purposes, distribution of supplies, and also as a kitchen for food services. Our mid-range geodesic domes are perfect for classrooms and as portable medical centers, and our smaller domes provide a safe and weatherproof shelter for displaced families. If you're unable to help directly in North Carolina or Tennessee, let this be a wake-up call to stay connected and prepared in your own community. Whether it's creating a family plan or investing in practical tools like a satellite phone, portable power bank, solar charger, taking small steps now can help ensure you're ready to assist whenever and wherever it's needed. Make sure you have backup food and water. Together, we can bring relief and hope. Thank you for your support.